Hi kids, in this video we are going to learn the final set of letters. Already we learned A to P and today we are going to learn the final set of letters which is Q to Z. The next interesting sound we are going to learn is Q for the letter Q. The letter Q sounds Q. Children, just remember how that sounds. It's like quack, quack, quack. Am I right? In the same way, the Q sounds Q. The Q sounds Q. Q sounds Q. Queen, quill. The next letter R. The sound for the letter R is going to be fun and you all love. The sound for the letter R is R. The sound for the letter R, R. The sound for the letter R, R. Repeat, R. Rose, rabbit. The next sound is very easy for you all. The letter S sounds S. Children, just remember the snake sound. S. Am I right? In the same way, the letter S sounds S. The sound for the letter S. Repeat, sun, snake. The sound for the letter T is T. Children, say along with me. The sound for the letter T is T. The sound for the letter T, T. The sound for the letter T, T. T, T. Train, tap. Again we are going to learn the another different letter which is U, because we are going to say one thing but the sound differs. U we say but the sound is A. U we say but the sound of U is A. U sound A. Say A. Umbrella, uncle. Now the letter V. V is a very easy letter for write and also as well as sound. V sounds V. V sound V. V sound V. Violin, van. The next alphabet W. The sound for the letter W, V. The sound for the letter W, V. The sound for the letter W, V. Watch, whale. The letter X sounds X. The letter X sounds X. Children say X. The letter X sounds X. The letter X sounds X. Xylophone, Xmas. The sound for the letter Y is Y. The sound for the letter Y, Y. Say along with me, children. Y sound, Y. The sound for the letter Y, Y. The sound for the letter Y, Y. The sound for the letter Y, Y. Y, Y. Yacht, yogurt. The lost alphabet Z. The letter Z sounds Z. The letter Z sound Z. Children, say along with me. Z sound Z. Zebra, zero. Hope you all learned. Thank you.